Welcome back to Matt Gourmet Kitchen. Today I'll be showing you guys how to make oven jerk chicken wings. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click that notification bell. The ingredients for this oven jerk chicken wings will be down in the description box, so you guys can just go there and check it out.
Jave Beats exclusive.
Now here's all my ingredients that I'm using to make my jerk chicken wings. I'm using 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of dry thyme, 1 teaspoon of chicken seasoning, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. I'm using 1 teaspoon of all-purpose, 1 teaspoon of black pepper. I'm using 1 teaspoon of paprika. Also, I'm going to use some browning. I'm using some of my homemade jerk seasoning. I'm using some honey. I'm using 1 cup of ketchup and also 1 cup of barbecue sauce. And here I got 1.5 pound of chicken wings that I'm using. Now I'm just going to apply all my powder seasoning to my wings. I'm going to start out with my chicken seasoning. Also my all-purpose. Garlic powder, onion powder, my paprika, my black pepper, also my dry thyme. I'm just going in with a teaspoon of browning. Guys, that's it. And also using about 3 tablespoons of my homemade jerk seasoning. Guys, you can also go and check out my jerk seasoning on my YouTube channel. Yes guys, now I'm just going to give this a proper rub now guys, rubbing all of this lovely seasoning on my chicken wings. Guys, I want to make sure you're rubbing the seasoning properly. Guys, if you want, you can get a gloves and season up your meat. If you want, you can use a bare hand. It's up to you, but I'd rather use a gloves because I don't want my jerk seasoning to burn the top of my fingers. All that pepper, that spice, I think that is in there. Wow, seasoning smelling so lovely guys, I'm telling you. I can't wait to put this in the oven, these wings. Good. I'll get back to you guys when I'm finished rubbing all of these lovely seasoning on my chicken wings. Now there you have it guys, I'm finished rubbing all my seasoning on my wings. Now I'm just going to leave this to marinate for about 45 minutes. Yes guys, I'm just going to cover it up with some foil. Guys, if you don't got foil, you can use cling film. Let's go. I'm just going to cover this now. Just put this to the side to marinate now for about 45 minutes, guys. See you back when my wings is finished marinating. Now in the meanwhile, my wings are marinating for that 45 minutes. I'm just going to go ahead and make my jerk sauce. Guys, you just want to get a small pot like this to make your jerk sauce. You want to make sure your fire is on low heat. Yes guys, just go ahead and preheat that pot that you have for about 2 to 3 minutes. get back to you when my pot is warm. Now my pot is preheated. I'm going to start out with my barbecue sauce. Also my ketchup. Just want to do that spoon, guys. Scrape out that ketchup. Also my barbecue sauce. I'm going in with about 3 tablespoons of honey. Give that a stir, guys. Now I'm going in about 2 tablespoons of my homemade jerk seasoning. Yes, guys, I'm just going in one more, a half. Yes. And also I'm using a tablespoon of dark soy sauce. I just want to give that a stir now, guys. This is what you want to do, guys, to make that lovely jerk sauce at home. But this is what you're going to use on your wings. You're going to use it to coat your wings. Stir around all that ketchup and jerk seasoning sauce and barbecue sauce and also the honey that you put in there. You need to just mix it properly, guys. Just mix it for about a minute or two. Make sure it's properly mixed in. See you back when I'm finished with my jerk sauce. Yes, guys, when I'm finished stirring it. Now here you have it, guys. After standing here and stirring it for about a minute or two, my jerk sauce is finished. Yes, guys, I'm just gonna give it a taste. Yes, guys, that's it. I'm just stirring this off now. Yes, guys, I'm just gonna put this down and leave it to cool now until I put my wings in the oven. Then I start to use it. Now after that 45 minutes of marinating my jerk wings, I'm just going to remove my foil paper. Yes. There we go, guys. Wow. The wings looking so lovely and smelling so nice. Now guys, you're going to get your baking tray, what you're going to use in your oven. Yes guys, you're going to start to put your wings inside. Just like that. Guys, in the meanwhile you're putting your wings in your baking tray, you can go ahead and preheat your oven on gas mark 4, 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Yes guys, you can preheat your oven for about 8 minutes. Make sure your oven is well hot. You don't want your oven too cold when you put it in your wings, guys. So make sure your oven is hot. I'm just gonna preheat it for that 8 minutes. Different baking tray. But there you have it, guys. That's what you want to put in your jerk chicken wings. I'm just waiting on my oven for that 8 minutes now to preheat before I put them in. Also, before you put it in the oven, guys, make sure you pour some virgin olive oil over your jerk chicken wings. If you don't have the virgin olive oil, you can use sunflower oil or whatever cooking oil you have, guys. Just want to pour it over it like that. This is what's going to give that skin that nice crispy taste. Yes guys, just want to pour some oil over it just like that. There you have it. That's what I want to do, guys. I'll get back to you when I'm putting in my wings into my oven. Now my oven is ready for my chicken wings. So guys, make sure you place it in the middle of your oven, just like that. Now you're just gonna leave that to bake for about 35 minutes before you take them back out. See you when my jerk chicken wings are finished baking. Now guys, after that 35 minutes, now my chicken wings are finished. I'm just gonna take them out. There you have it, guys. Wow, they're smelling so lovely and looking so delicious, as you can see, guys. They're finished. They're finished now. 35 minutes in the oven. Now I'm just gonna take my jerk sauce and just give them a coat. This, guys. So you wanna do, just coat them with your jerk sauce. I'm gonna coat all of them, just like how you see I'm doing it. I'll get back to you guys when I'm finished coating all my jerk wings. As you can see, guys, I've coated all of my jerk chicken wings with my jerk sauce. Now you're gonna turn them over and do the same thing. Just give them a coat, just like how you said there a while ago, guys. Coat them with your sauce. Just turn them over like that, guys. Just turn them over. It's smelling so lovely, guys. Now you're just gonna take your sauce and just coat the next side, just like this. After you finish coating them with your sauce, guys, you're gonna pop them back into the oven. You're gonna turn on your oven to gas mark 325 degrees. This, guys, that's what you want to do. Just gonna pop them back in there to let this lovely jerk sauce soaking on your wings. Yes, guys, to give it that lovely taste. I hope you guys try this on at home. I'm telling you, these wings are smelling so amazing, guys. I can't wait to have some of them. I'm telling you, they're looking so nice. Now there you have it, guys. I'm just gonna put these back in the oven. So you want to leave them in your oven for about 15 minutes more to let the sauce soak in on your wings, guys. And then you can pop them back out. I'll get back to you guys when they are finished. Here you have it, guys. After that 15 minutes of popping it back in the oven with all my sauce that I just put on the jerk wings, guys. As I'm telling you, guys, it's smelling so amazing. Can't wait to have one of them. Guys, I'm just gonna leave it here to cool for about 10 to 15 minutes before I serve it out and show you guys. I'll just get right back to you. Now my jerk wings are all cool. Now it's time to share it out and show you guys. I'm just gonna get a plate. Here's my plate. And these lovely wings, guys. Looking so nice and so juicy. Guys, there you have it, guys. Also, I got some mashed potatoes to go with it, guys, and also some string bean, some boiled string bean. Also got some boiled carrot. Last but not least, I got some of my jerk sauce to put on the side, also to go with it. I'm just gonna sprinkle a little dry parsley potato. There you have it, guys. So you want to serve up your jerk wings. Yes, guys. I tell you, it's looking so tasty and so lovely right now. Can't wait to have it. Anyway, thanks for watching Matt Gourmet Kitchen. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click that notification bell. Tell me what you think about these jerk wings when you try them at home, especially the sauce when you make it, guys. Just hit me up in the comment section and tell me what you think. Until next time, thanks for watching.